Each of your bank transactions needs to be paired with a corresponding accounting record. Manually creating these records month after month is tedious and time-consuming. This is where bank rules come in. To set up a bank rule to automatically create the accounting transaction for this, at the top of the banking page, select Manage Bank Rules. From the drop-down list, select the account for which you want to create the rule, then click Create Rule. Enter a name for the rule and specify if it applies to incoming or outgoing payments. If the Activate this rule when saving checkbox is selected, the rule will be available as soon as you select Save and will be applied to your next batch of incoming bank transactions. Then, define the rule criteria, in this case the reference and the payment date. The more specific the criteria, the more accurate the rule will be. Finally, specify the details of the record that should be created, such as the name of the supplier being paid, the payment method, and the ledger account to debit. Only one bank rule can be applied to a transaction. When you have more than one rule for an account, set the priority to ensure the rules are applied in the right order. For greatest efficiency, set your most specific bank rules as the highest priority. When a rule is successfully applied to a transaction, you'll see an indication of this in the transaction details. Double-check the record details are correct, then click Create. Done! You can click Review these transactions to see only the transactions to which rules were applied. The next time you import transactions, you can skip the review and simply click Create All. If you have pending transactions that meet the rule criteria, there's an option here too to apply the bank rule retroactively to those transactions. One of the great features of bank rules is that you can use them across multiple accounts. To do this, on the Bank Rules page, select one or more rules, then click Copy. From the drop-down list, select the account to which you want to copy the rules, then click Copy Rules. You can copy bank rules between business accounts too. To do this, select one or more rules, then click Export. The selected rules are exported into a JSON file, which is downloaded to your computer. Log into the business account into which you want to import the rules, and on the Bank Rules page, select a bank account and click Import Bank Rules. Select Upload your JSON file, then browse to and select the exported file. When the import is complete, you'll see the rules here, ready to be applied.